Hey, alright guys, what's going on? Today I'm working on a fridge magnet challenge, which is a art kind of thing, all done for charity. I've done it last year and I'm about to do it again. Welcome back. So what is a fridge magnet challenge? It's very simple. 4 by 4 inches, magnetic, it's got a magnet on the back. As the name says, is a fridge magnet. All these pieces being sent out to artists around the world, and the goal is to paint something on it, paint something or sculpture something, everything kind of art, whatever goes, everything goes, and send it back to the guys, to the charity guys, and they're gonna auction it on an amazing show which I'm going in September, first week of September. Actually, this year it's last weekend of August. With the first weekend of September, it's kind of, I think it's Saturday is the 31st of August and Sunday is 1st of September, something like this. I may be wrong, but it's a crossover. So all these beautiful magnets gonna be auctioned over there, and I'm very happy and very lucky to be a part of it. So I'm gonna paint something today and I'm gonna take you for a spin with me, see what happens. First thing, I want to get rid of that kind of canvasy structure. As you can see, it's got some kind of texture on it. It's great, it's fine, but I want to have it smooth for what I want to do with it. It's really nothing special, but I'm going to attack it with some body filler and then sand it flat. Right, now I've got this little magnet beautifully smooth and shiny. What I want to do with it is just apply a little bit of artwork. It's not going to be my original design, I saw it somewhere before, so I want to replicate it here as best as I can. I wanted to do something different, not just, you know, fires and flames and dragons and skulls and evil shit. I wanted to do something a little bit more funny, one of my childhood heroes over here with a bit of a twist. So yeah, let's just slap it on, see what happens. there we go, guys, all done. Fun little project, and for a very good cause as well. I'm gonna send it off to the charity. I'll try to drop the email, the link below to the site, the charity site. You can straight away bid on it. You can look at hundreds of other magnets that came from around the world, from other artists, different ones, and you can put your bid. You can sponsor a magnet. You can. It's all going to a good cause, so why not? Gangsta Mickey. He's gonna be shipped out in a post. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Gangsta Mickey is looking at you, so be good, rock hard, have a beer, and both of us will see you very soon. Right? Right.